Akasbani Imphal ngangbom Nganthoi na pau pajari. Taranipan Suba State Level Orange Festival ngasi loisilagani. Tamenglong Jila gi Mini Stadium da pangthokpa loisinbagi tharamda Rajya gi Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, MLA Singh Dinganglung Gangmai, Awangbo Niumai, Jamhenglung Pamai saruk yari. Tharamduda wangangbada Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal na hai festival asina jila asida kumla puthokpa hengarhan batanatana lawmi amasung entrepreneur singna makhoi gi pothok sing miyamda yauhannabagi tanja piri.
The government of Manipur has been making sustained efforts to help farmers prevent wastage and ensure remunerative prices through initiatives such as the establishment of cold storage facilities, tissue culture laboratories, and green roof infrastructure at horticulture farms. Ongoing programs also include the rejuvenation of Tamenglong orange, tree bean cultivation, and establishment of orchards in hill areas.
Festival asida komla khwaidagi yamna puthokpa lawmi hangamang gangmaida lupa lakh ani gi mana piduna pukning thogatki. Women Conflict and Society haiba hiramda Manipur University gi Women Study Center na sinduna nongmagi oiba national seminar ama ngasi Manipur University gi Department of Sociology da pangthokli. Haudokpagi tharamda University asigi School of Social Sciences ki din Professor L. Memsa, Sociology Department ki hanagi Head Professor Rajendra Khetri, Women Studies Center ki Director Dr. N. Lily Sarukyakhi. Thauramasi technical session da tongan ba hiram kya da khang haising na se pathokli. Sangsad ki ningthamifam ngasi loisinkhre Lok Sabha gi Adaksa Om Birla na hai punna sitting tara manga lekhiba mifam asi sa da samataramathoi mai pakhi. Mifam ningthina sathabada mateng pangbagi damak Sangsad ki sadasya singbu Sri Birla na thagatpa phungdokhi. Rajya Sabha da wangangbada Sabha gi Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan na hai handaki mifam asi punna pung marfudrani thoi sathakhi amasung mifam manungda Private Members Bill 58 Sabha da puthokhi. Mang na hai mifam asida aitihasik amasung ganatantrik oiba wafamsinggi matangda ningthina khanakhi. Rashtrapati Draupadi Murmu na ngasi Hyderabad ta State Public Service Commission PSC singi chairperson singi numit nini gi National Conference haudokre. Thauramadu wangangbada Srimati Murmu na hai Public Service Commission na civil servant sing khanba matamda niyom chumna amasung puksel sengna khangadabani. Mang na hai leba asigi sangbidan semlamba singna UPSC amasung Public Service Commission singi damak top mafam ama khaklammi. Srimati Murmu na hai sangbidhana piba social, economic, political justice amasung mipung khudingmakta manaba thak amasung khudongchaba phanghanaba wakhalon asi PSC singi pandam oiri. Rashtrapati na hai English ngani ni futareta Viksit Bharat ohenaba afaba lengak sasan puraknabagi damak Public Service Commission singna asawa thaudang lauri. Haudokpagi tharamda Telangana gi Rajyapal Jishnu Deva Burma, Mukhyamantri Revant Reddy amasung Union Public Service Commission UPSC gi Chairman Ajay Kumar Sarukyakhi. Grihamantri Amit Shah na hairi leiba sida Port Security Framework mapangal kankharhanbagi tangai fadaba lei. New Delhi da ngasi Bureau of Port Security BOPS sembagi matangda pangthokhiba mifam amada mantri na hai leiba asigi hithangphamsingda lalol itik ain kaiba thabak tharamsing tawba amasung atai hiramsinggi yenglaga tongan ba security gi tharang lokhatpa changi. Mantri na hai nauna semgadoriba Bureau of Port Security asi Merchant Shipping Act 2015 gi section 3 gi makhada semgani. BOPS asina cyber security amasung digital threat na singbaga mari leinaba pausing matam chana yengsingani. Masigi matakta Central Industrial Security Force CISF po hithangphamsingda security organization oina thabak tawhangani. Mahausadagi sizinaragpa hidak langthaksinggi matangda New Delhi da pangthokpa anisuba World Health Organization Global Summit ngasi loisilagani. Loisinbagi tharamda Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi saruk yagani. Tharamadda Pradhan Mantri na My Ayush Integrated Services Portal hangdokani. Mahakna Ayush Mark su haudokani. Sri Modi na yoga gi maramda puthokpa WHO gi technical report su phongani amadi From Roots to Global Reach 11 Years of Transformation in Ayush haina mingthon balairik amasu phongani. Pauloi jare.